Now, talk about the importance of treating people who clench and grind their teeth.
When we catch it early, we can often delay some of the tooth problems that come along with grinding your teeth. The teeth often wear out, they become shorter, they become sensitive because when you're grinding and clenching your teeth, you're slowly wearing away the enamel that is the protective part of the tooth. And so when that enamel's gone, you've lost some of the structure of your teeth. They become painful because now the sensitive tooth structure is now exposed where it wasn't before. And so the earlier we catch it, the better, and especially before you crack and lose a tooth.